The Modi government keeps talking about 5 trillion economy and Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. But how is our economy really doing? Here's the report card of the 10 years of the BJP government compared to the Congress government in 5 big points. First, GDP. The average annual GDP growth rate of 10 years under the BJP government has been 5.9%. This growth is actually lower than what we had earlier. During the last 10 years of the UPA government, the average annual GDP growth rate was almost a percentage point higher at 6.8%. Next, let's come to unemployment. The average annual unemployment rate under the BJP has been 6.3%. On the other side, during the last 10 years of the UPA rule, the average annual unemployment rate was lower at 5.5%. In fact, our income inequality is now worse than what it was during the colonial era. Third, the fall of our currency against the dollar. Under the BJP government, the rupee has fallen by 41%, from around 59 rupees to a dollar in 2014 to around 83 rupees now. The fall under the UPA on the other side was lesser. From 2004 to 2014, rupee fell by 31%, from 45 to 59 rupees. Next, time and again, we keep hearing that the stock market is booming. But it turns out the market was booming even more under the UPA rule. During 10 years of the BJP government, Sensex has gone up by about 3 times. But under 10 years of the UPA, Sensex actually went up by 4 times. Now in all these points, the economy's performance was better under the UPA than under NDA. But there's one important factor where NDA's record has been better. That's inflation. The average annual inflation rate for the last 10 years has been about 5%. This average rate for 10 years under the UPA government was much higher at 8.27%. Tell us what you think about our economy in the comments below.